Hi guys, so I found a little hotel here near the beach. I'm gonna go see if I can find a boat to access the island. Vipi? Unaogopa? Yeah, so she's the receptionist of the place I'm staying, and she saw the camera, she ran away. Anyways, I'm gonna go check the beach if it's possible to rent a boat to access the island. But on the way, I think I can find some food, or I know they sell a lot of fishes in the area. Well, because like on the other side is the beach. They can fry it for you or roast it. Me, I prefer roasted. So we're gonna go try to see if you can find one. But this is the area I'm staying. It's very calm actually compared to what I'm used to. So this is the other side. And even in the morning, I woke up like 7. I went to run. There was no one on the streets. I saw maybe like 1 or 2 border motorcycle, but yeah, nothing else. Okay, so now I'm passing near the German pillar, the vestige of history, because you can see there's both of them, but here they used to have like construction or disappeared today, but these German pillars, they're still standing. And yeah, I wanted to show you a little of that, but me, I'm trying to get on the other side for a boat, but still nothing. So I'm gonna wait for my friend, and maybe he's gonna be able to find one for me. Okay. Kwaheri. Marhaba. Okay, let's go. The sun is burning. Okay. Yeah, I don't think there's a boat nearby, but let me ask for some guys. Habari? Hapa tunapata boat ya kwenda kwa ile island. Okay. Oh, maybe my lucky day. We just kwenda huh?
Unaenda kwenye kisiwa kile?
No, nataka kwenda. No, hata kuuliza ni ngapi. Kama ni sio bei naweza kwenda. Kama ngapi?
3 or 4,000.
Okay. Lakini wataona kwenda tu safu rudi
hiyo
4,000. Lakini wakiona kamera watasema 10,000.
Nataka kwenda kuna
mimi nataka niambie bei ya watu wote kama kawaida tu.
Kama mpo wanne. Mpo kama watu wanne.
Niko peke yangu. Labda iko na rafiki anaweza kukuja, lakini niko peke yangu.
Kuna mitumbu unaiona kule mwisho.
Ile vitu nyeupe.
Kwenye pale nyeupe, lakini huko hamna. Njia mpaka hivi. Unaenda hivi ufunguke.
Okay. Sasa nirudi huko juu. Haya.
Unarudi unachukua boda.
Pale kama manyumba pale huko mbele.
Uwanja hapo.
Uwanja wa ndege. Nipite uwanja wa ndege ama
uwanja wa ndege hapo pembeni.
Okay. Haya. Mnafanya nini? Mnafanya nini na kamba? Mnacheza? Na kwa nini umefunga tumbo hivyo? Mtu akikushika usitoroke. Nifikiria ngo anaenda kwa maji, akibebwa anamshika.
Mna waende kwa maji.
Okay.
Hapo kwa relax.
Sasa ni kurudi huko.
Yaani kuchukua boda akakupeleka.
Lakini naona sio mbali sana.
Sio mbali.
Naweza kwenda
unatembea? Mpaka wewe na mwenyeji. Ama
iko na njia ya kushika barabara hivi.
Yaani hapa mna. Yaani hivi na unaanza taratibu. Unazunguka.
Okay. Hata ningoje kwa sababu ya rafiki yangu amesema anakuja kunifuta pale kwa daraja. Na alikuwa ameniambia hapa iko na boat za kwenda kwa island.
Siku ya Alhamisi.
Alhamisi.
Alhamisi ndio huwa anafanya.
Ndio anaenda huko kwa Island.
Ndio huwa anaenda kwa kutembeza watalii, vivutio vya kujionea sisi.
Nitaenda tu, lakini wanataka kwanza nipate rafiki yangu, halafu nijaribu kutembea nikienda huko. Asante. Okay, I don't know which side to pass. Mko wengi. Vipi? Ni sawa kamera?
Sawa.
Okay. Yeah, so let's go see where is it. Sasa vipi?
Sawa vipi?
Vipi? Wameniambia ngoni huko karibu ya airport. Kwa sababu iko na mtu ameniambia uende hivi like straight kwa beach nitawaona, lakini nimekutana na mtu pale kwa hapo kwa ile pila. Akaniambia ni kuenda huko kwa airport. Utapata boat ya kuenda kwa island kama 4,000 5,000 hivyo.
Ndio amekudanganya. Sasa huyu ni zile boti anaongelea zile za kusubiri. Za abiria. Za abiria, za passenger.
Passenger.
Yaani kwamba unakuwa mko wengi, ni public.
Hakuna shida, mimi napenda kumeet like new people. Yeah. You have the video. Like even like the road in the middle, the trees all around. Like they are pines, the trees. I can smell them. So in the winter, this is the only tree. Other trees, the leaves, they fall. We're going in the forest. Look at this, like there's nothing around. So I can't really read Swahili, but I can see waterfall. So I don't know if you've seen when I was coming, but we are Kyamunene waterfall and caves. We are here at the waterfall. Well, I can hear, but I don't see anything yet. But let me show you around where we are passing, because I met Dure here. Dure Ngabo. If you understand Kinyarwanda, you already know where he's from. Ngabo. That's a Rwandan name. Yeah, so we met yesterday, and today we are supposed to get a boat, but unfortunately there's no boat. I've been running around since this morning. I didn't find anything. People were telling me, you go there, you ask there, you go there, you ask there. Then I got tired. I called him. Well, we talked, and he was like, let's see waterfall. It's very beautiful. And me, I'm always up for some adventure. And yeah, look at this. Very beautiful, very chill over here. I can see some people even come to picnic and even to play. Yeah, even the air is really fresh over here. But it's a little waterfall. Okay. You balance, then you jump. So me, I'm gonna go refresh a little. I hope. So these kind of rocks are very slippery. So when you are stepping on them, you have to be careful. Ah, the water is so cold. Okay. Ah, actually, okay, I'm gonna go with him. Bro, kwa nini hujaniambia iko na hiyo? Mimi naenda kama Ah, okay. Kwa sababu hapa sioni kitu hapa. Ah, inatembea mpaka hapa. Okay. Okay, he's coming to get me. Now sleep in the water. Okay. Okay, tunaenda pale. Pale. Nipande pale juu. Nioge kidogo. Naoga kichwa, mwili. No, hapa siwezi kwa sababu iko na maji. Uende pale hivi. Okay. Ni hapa nataka kupita. Hapa ni sawa tu. Acha niache bagi hapa. Nipande huko juu. Nimeshuka huko. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little shower. Okay. Let me take a little shower. And they're saying it's very slippery here. Maybe go on the other rock. This is better. And the water is so cold, Jesus. But yeah, it's done. And look at this. Okay. Ni hapa tu, hakuna sehemu nyingine. Hakuna sehemu nyingine. Okay. Okay, wait for my boat. Ama niruke. Tudumbukie wote. Unajua kuoga? Sawa. Explore life in nature.
I'm sitting.
Okay, let me put the camera over here.
You can see yourself again. The camera is good. Okay, I'm going by the name Duli. I live here in Tanzania. You are all welcome. There is a lot of tourism attraction here. As you can see here, we are in Kyamunene Waterfalls. It's located in Bukoba, like 5 to 6 kilometers from Bukoba town to this place. So you are all welcome. We have Zanzibar in Tanzania, we have Ngorongoro, we have Serengeti, we have Mount Kilimanjaro. Yeah, Hamsiho of tourism company called Afrowide Safaris. We prepare like adventures from anywhere, so you can contact us. Yeah, with this tourism stuff, you are all welcome. I have my brother here.
Yeah. So I think he explained all of it, but yeah, tourism in Tanzania, it's like the main thing actually. Everyone comes here for safaris, for Serengeti. Even for me, Bukoba was a surprise because I didn't plan it at all. I just wanted to do a video on the ferry, and I decided to stop here. And I met some people. When you're traveling and you are open-minded, you meet a lot of people, and you just go with the wind. Just enjoy life. And this area it's awesome. Yeah.
Say hala.
Let's go see the caves. What is with the hut? Pardon me.
Hut, you can write your name here.
Okay. If you come with a lover, I think. But if you're coming alone, only with dudes,
so
we're not gonna go there.
First to cave, or we can stop it down.
What is closer? Caves. Yeah. We start by the closest. Then, like when we went to the waterfall, it was the closest. So we go to the caves. Then I don't know what is down there. But yeah, I'm showing my face. I should show you the area instead. I know I'm handsome, but the view is way better.
Yeah.
No, I was joking when I say I'm handsome. It's like to lighten the mood. Oh, some birds. Don't know which kind of. They were all dark.
In Swahili they call them njiwa.
Njiwa?
Yeah.
Njiwa?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, now you know the name you write on your
cave. You need to take me a picture here.
Historical caves.
So here, there's a time it was a war between Tanzania and Uganda. So there are some people they hide over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go see. Actually, I brought the light because usually I don't take the light off the camera, but this time, for once, it's gonna be helpful. Let me see if you can see a little better. It doesn't change that much.
There is a way you can come to another way.
You don't think there's some snakes or?
You're not sure, but maybe they can be.
Yeah. In the caves, you never know.
Yeah, but in this place you can sleep. You can put your mattress and then you sleep.
So I'm doing the flash, the beeping, because sometimes if there's some animals, they can get afraid and run away. Okay. I think you see better like this. Jesus, look at this. It's done by water, no? Like the hole. Do they?
Yes.
The caves are done by water.
No, but maybe underground there used to be water.
No? Yeah. So before it used to be water, like maybe a long time ago, but like millions of years before. And it goes very far, actually. I wish I had a better light, because with this one, I see, but not that much. Yeah, inaenda mbali. So me, I don't really like caves, like at all, because there can be some snakes hiding here, because outside is very hot and here is chill. So something can come to hide over here, and we come to disturb it, and you will be like, what are you doing here? Get away from my home. Dude, unakaa nje? Yeah, he's more safe outside, but he's going very far. So me, you can see I don't see anything, so I'm not gonna go further. And yeah, I think I showed you enough, and you learned a little story. You can see there's you know, like it keeps going, like they are almost broken. You can see huko unaona huko juu ni kama imekatika hivyo. Huko nyoka inaweza kujificha. Hata huko. Yeah, no, it's not very cold, but it's fresh. So you know like reptiles, they have cold blood, but this is too hot. Maybe they take like they come on the sun, then they are too hot, they get inside, they go inside to chill.
Yes, you can take a little picture here and video.
Okay.
This is explaining everything about this cave.
Yeah, so I don't know if you have time to read, but let me try to show you. So if you have time or you're interested of reading, you can read all of it.
Do you have something?
Yeah.
Ni popo?
Nini?
Popo.
Popo ni nini? Ikoaje? So we are hearing some noises inside. They are saying popo, but I don't know what is popo. Ni kama reptile?
Anapaa usiku tu anatoka.
Bat.
Yeah, bat.
Okay. Bat, it's okay. I'm not scared of bat.
You can make a picture here.
Okay.
Or a video.
Let me get. Me already done my little picture. I just take from the video, and yeah, for me it's done. Nini? Bridge. Okay.
Nimepapenda tu vya kutoka hapa tunaenda sio beach wapi. Bora ukaje ukakaa.
Kama pale kwenye yale maji pale.
Kwenye yale maji.
Unakuja pale unatulia makula zako.
Kaa nanywa soda zako.
Ni kama picnic area.
Yeah.
Unakuja na mdemo wako ama hata kama ni family.
Hata kama ni familia.
Hata ndio vizuri familia. The tall white building over there apparently is coffee industry and nature trail. Yeah, I'm showing. So kwa nini hakuna watu? Hamna watu hapa saa hizi. Okay. Ama ni Sunday tu.
Hata siku za kawaida sana sana wanaopenda huku ni wazungu. Na Wahindi wanapapenda sana.
Si unatembea kwa nature
Fika jioni kama saa moja saa 12 ukuta Wahindi wamejaa huku na magari yao.
Wanakuja kutembea tu. Hakuna kama sijui kama unaitaje kama leopard. Inaweza. Inawezekana. Leopard zinaishi sehemu zote. Najua ni solitary animals. Inaweza kukaa hapa tu. For example kama ni lion, unaipata haraka kwa sababu ni zile zinapenda kuishi na family kubwa. Lakini leopard inaishi peke yake. Hata unaweza kukaa mwaka mnaishi karibu hata uioni.
Sasa hapa inakula nini?
Sinaua hapa iko kama sio tugaze lakini tule tudogo. Inakula hata panya, inakula rabbit. Leopard inakula chochote. Okay, so apparently there's another waterfall. This trailway and rest house is this way. So we are going to the waterfall. Waterfall B. And this is gonna be, I hope it's gonna be bigger than the other one.
Hapa tunatokezea kwenye hoteli yao.
Ana hoteli nifahamu?
Na hoteli iko hapo.
Okay. I can hear the waterfall and there's some people. Yeah, there's some people. And just being under the shade. It's awesome. Okay, so I think this waterfall is gonna be small because the other one was louder. Okay, we have two bridges. For the strongest, they passed over here, and others. Ili ni kama bridge pia, ile mti. Yeah. Okay. And the smell, I don't know if it's the flowers or the trees, but it smells so great. It's like a mix of perfumes. They even been planting the trees. Naona hii mti wameiweka. Yeah. So is
wanapanda.
So hiyo ni vizuri. Okay, waterfall B, you can see it over there. I hope there's no one naked swimming because I'm coming with the camera. I don't know if you can swim or maybe you're gonna wait for the ladies to finish over there. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? You're doing a picnic? We are very hungry. We are welcome. Don't joke about. Whose birthday is? No birthday, just celebration. Yeah. Okay, you all are very beautiful. It's like I thought it was like a birthday or no? Okay. Well, enjoy. Me, I'm not gonna wait for the boat to come. I'm gonna just walk over here. You can see they have a little road. Maybe I should just leave my stuff and try to get again under the under the waterfall. But it's not very practical to walk with the slippers because I don't want to fall. So again, I'm gonna leave them behind and navigate through the stones carefully. That's enough. Okay. I think it's enough for this one. Now, I'm gonna try to see on the other side. Okay. So I always had very sturdy feet, but you have to be very careful wherever you are. Okay. Now I'm back, so I'm gonna leave the ladies alone because sometimes you can see people are very uncomfortable. When I turn off the camera, they speak a little better, but with the camera they are a little uncomfortable. So we're gonna try to see other places. I don't know what they have here, but I think we've seen all of it. Okay, so the little tour is done. We're gonna head back, but I wanted to show you the area. If you want to come here, well, Bukoba is not very famous, but if you take the ferry from Mwanza, you're gonna end up in Bukoba. And I think maybe it's worth the visit. I don't know, I've seen only for a few days. So let's go see where they're gonna take me. Then if it's interesting, I'll show you. Otherwise, we'll see. Let's see how it goes.